Okay, got my components installed. I don't have any headlights tonight. Batteries went dead. They're on the charger. So I'm just testing out my new components, which is my new freewheel in the rear and my new derailleur and new chain. So right now I have it in a 40 tooth for the front chainring, and then I have 7 gears, 28 through 14 going down into like 7th gear. So this is the same run that I did versus my friend on his the drag race that I did. So we're gonna go ahead and see what speed we reach with the new gearing. Now I think I'm in first or second gear maybe. I think I'm second now. But we're gonna start out in 7th. Right now I'm using the pedal assist, full power, and this is where we started from. We shift all the way down into 7th gear now. There we go, all the way down. Gotta keep pressing the autofocus camera button. Put the camera going to focus here. Okay. Speed run, 7th gear. New components. I was hitting 35 with my last freewheel. So, and that was my like top speed, and with pushing a little bit of like effort into it. So, see how this goes. I let off the gas. As soon as I let off the gas, it kind of gave it this extra little oomph forward. Not much. It was like just a little bit of one extra pulse on the motor. That wouldn't have bad. I'll have to check the speed when I get back home. My chain didn't skip. Yay. Oh. First, third now. Oh, something's a little bit loose. Rubbing off. Yeah, it's my guard rubbing against the chain. It's okay, to be expected after a little while. You know, I have crashed. Almost running into this. That's funny. Let's get it frisky. Oh, I'm in mode. Oh, yeah, that's right. I'm in mode 1, which I think this one's just full power, maybe. Partial power. That's right. This is my off-roading mode. Oh, come on. No, mode 3, please. Oh, I didn't like that sound. Okay, mode 3 just suddenly stopped working. That's weird. Huh. Lost mode 3. Okay. I still have mode 2. Oh, it's starting to act funny again. Now mode 2 ain't working. It was just working a minute ago. What's going on with my controller? No, it's not the battery. I just charged it. Wait a minute. Mode 1 should have 9 levels of pass. Why isn't it only getting 1 now? No throttle. Alright, what's going on?